So yes, we are in the Dragon with Ray on day 3 with Nick, myself, and it's just after I crashed and I got my car back together. Thanks to Gio, thanks to everybody that helped, man. Like, I'm so grateful to be out here today. So I met Ray the first time I came to the Dragon. What was 2021?
2020, COVID.
2020. Oh, wow.
Straight COVID.
And he was driving a blue right-hand drive Mazda Miata with a hardtop. And he looked so similar to Gio. I was always confusing him. Like when they were walking in front, I was like, oh, Gio, and it's freaking Ray. So last year, Ray came and he unfortunately crashed his black 86,
My black
right?
hatch, yep, same car.
Bro, I felt so bad about that. That was freaking tragic.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna be honest.
No, that's pretty bad.
But you'll see, this man is driving around on the Dragon pretty fast, and you'll see all the stuff that he has in this car. But this car, pop the hood, man.
Done.
We're not authorized.
You got it?
No, you got it.
There.
So tell me, how'd you get it to this point?
Bro, I got this shell, or well, I've had this platform for 7 years. 7 years I've been running it. This is my 3rd engine and 3rd chassis.
Nice.
So everything, a little bit of everything has happened. But I feel like this is the best version of my car.
Yeah?
It's
Why
got
is that?
AC, it's got power steering, it's got all the little nicks and knacks that I never had before. I do have them now. A lot of OEM stuff I didn't have before, which is in Toyota. In the Toyota world, at least OEM is best. So
Yeah.
obviously it's a swap, but a lot of original parts of it's not original for the engine, and it's original for the chassis and stuff like that.
Yeah, I like this engine because it reminds you of the K as well.
Yeah, 2-liter, dual VVT, Yamaha, high revving, titanium valves. I haven't touched anything. Well, I resealed the motor, but like head gasket and everything, but I haven't done any modification.
What was the timeline? How far away were you from not finishing it?
10 days. I got my car back 10 days before this, so we're out here.
It's pretty badass.
We're out here.
You're just like Gio and me.
testing it.
Yeah.
Balls out, bro.
Yeah?
Nah, but like since I'm familiar with the platform, like I feel like I said before, it's the best version, and I feel like I felt pretty confident coming here. You know, regardless if it was 10 days, 20 days, 3 months, whatever it took to feel good.
How did you feel looking at the ditch? Because I saw you took a picture there.
Nah, yeah, this is my profile picture now, man. It was a good feeling.
Yeah,
Super
man.
good feeling. Super good feeling. Yeah, man.
Sweet,
It's
brother.
like facing your fears, but you toss that out of the way and you just enjoy the moment. So super simple, just feels.
But how do you like
right
these tires? You like them?
I had 595s before. I think I had 595s on my Miata, and then I went Falcon Azeni because I had 14-inch rims. But now I had to get 15-inch rims because I upgraded my brake system.
Yeah.
So because I upgraded the brakes, I can't run 14s anymore. I run 15s.
You got Mazda brake
I got Mazda,
calipers.
yeah, RX-7, FC RX-7 brakes, bro. Dual
Nice.
piston, and they're amazing. They brake way better than the OEM ones.
At least you're representing Mazda
There you go,
and
bro.
Miatas at the gap a little
I
bit.
still got a little bit in me, man.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, it's a super common modification to this chassis.
So what's next with it?
What's next? Paint, bro.
You
I
wanna
really
paint
want to, yeah, body work and paint. Just make it look nice.
Get
Put
rid
a
of
little
some of the
bit of-
rust?
I have 0 rust in the car, bro.
Oh shit.
I have 0 rust. I had 2 quarter panels that had rust. I had that treated.
Yeah.
So this chassis is. I
This
don't want to
chassis,
say.
everybody loves this chassis, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
The
yeah,
looks are timeless.
Yeah.
It won't get old.
But yeah, man. Happy to be here, enjoying the moment, making the best out of it. And,
I think you have.